the problems we are facing is more than just one person can solve, one organization, one government can solve. It requires kanang collaboration tabang yun sa tanang Cebuanos, no? We cannot just say Cebu Chamber na bahala na kaya na nila, or kaya na ni Gov, or kaya na ni Mayor, no? Each of us has a role to play, and if each of us have played their roles well, no, malampasan ganyan mo na sige gyud mig among battle cry. If you always hear, we are always saying Padayon Cebu, because we want to call everybody to join us to make Cebu great, good kanang kaya man gyud nato, but we need the help of everyone, no? And hopefully wala tay pinpoint tay each other mga tungod magud ani, tungod magud ana. No, we just need to move forward as one Cebuano, no? Because kaning atong mga problema gi-face masulbad man ni, like kaning mga oil crisis, kaning one, you know, there's always several ways of how we can help solve each other, no? Because for all you know, ang imo redeng silingan narade kailangan kag pagkaon wa kibaw si kag palit sa layo kayong lugar. For all you know, ang imo rang silingan di mo imong palitanan.